So yeah, brain rot AI videos, they're literally everywhere right now. So yeah, you've probably seen reels like this, which are totally random, chaotic, kind of hilarious, and somehow they're pulling in millions of views. For example, just look at this TikTok account. They blew up just by posting these kind of brain rot content. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make stuff like this super fast in under 5 minutes. You'll be able to go from text to images, turn them into videos, add sound effects, lip sync, all of that using just one crazy AI tool, which is NIM.VIDEO. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's jump in and I'll show you exactly how it's done. So first of all, for creating brain rot videos just like these, you need to go to the reference video, take a screenshot of this particular image right over here so that you have the reference image, and then simply you need to go ahead and go to the home page, go to this create section, click on image or video, and it's going to direct you to a very intuitive homepage, a very intuitive interface, and in that you need to go ahead and click on the describe button. So what this basically is going to do is it's going to provide you the prompt for your image so that you can use that for creating amazing images and then basically animating them later. So I'm going to simply go ahead and drop my image right over here, and then within few seconds it's going to provide you the complete prompt for your image, which is a wooden figure sits upright in a cozy bed propped against soft white pillows as warm sunlight filters. Right, so yeah, so from here I'm going to go ahead and simply select image. Make sure your aspect ratio is 9:16, and you can go ahead and basically select every possible model that you see online. So I'm going to select Flux Pro, which is basically one of the top model for text to image generation, and from here I'm going to simply click on generate. So yeah, for that, it's going to basically provide me this kind of image. So yeah, you guys can see this image looks absolutely perfect. So from here, what I can do is I can go ahead and basically recreate this image into a very cool, like my own style, right? So yeah, from here, I'm going to simply click on edit image, and in the prompt section, I can simply go ahead and add like sitting in a toilet, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and provide a little bit of a more information to that. So yeah, after that, it's going to basically provide me with this kind of image. You guys can see this looks absolutely perfect. And now what we have to do in our next step, we need to go ahead and animate this image. Like we need to convert this image into image to video section. So yeah, luckily, NIM provides you this option straight away. So I can click on image to video, and now my image has turned into like a prompt so that I can easily go ahead and input my prompt right over here and convert, like animate this image into a proper video, you guys, right? So yeah, I'm gonna write over here character sitting in washroom angry, right? So yeah, I can provide this kind of prompt and simply click on generate. So yeah, for that, NIM.VIDEO provides me with this result. So you guys can see this is a perfect example. You can go ahead and use these kind of videos for creating brain rot results. So yeah, from here, what we can do is we have so many other options that you can do. You can easily go ahead and upscale your video, or you can go ahead and add sound to your videos directly, right? So yeah, you can go ahead and easily input sound and upload to YouTube, TikTok, or any other platform that you like. So yeah, I'm going to simply go ahead and click on add sound, and now my video has turned into a prompt once again, and now I simply have to go ahead and describe the sound. So I'm going to describe like brain rot music and like kind of angry, right? I can simply provide this into my prompt section. We can select model over here as well, and from here I'm going to simply select generate. So yeah, here you go, guys. This is the final output that NIM provided me. Like, take a look at this. So yeah, this was one of the first example that I showed you. So if you go ahead and take a look in TikTok, so we have very other cool example of brain rot videos. Like take a look at this one. This one is a kitten training to become stronger. So take a look at this video. So yeah, we can easily go ahead and recreate these kind of videos as well within just a single tool, which is NIM.VIDEO. So yeah, what I can do is I can easily go ahead and open this. Do the same steps, like I can go ahead and easily, first of all, take a screenshot of that, come back to NIM.VIDEO, and simply go to describe section and input my image right over here. And within few seconds, it's going to provide me with the prompt of that image. So yeah, take a look at this one. And then from here, I can easily go ahead and first of all, create my image. So yeah, this is the image that NIM provides me. So yeah, from here, what I can do is I can easily go ahead and click on image to video. And now my image is in a result of a prompt. So yeah, from here, I can easily type like cat walking towards the camera. So basically now I want to convert this image into video, and I can easily go ahead and click on generate. And for that, NIM.VIDEO provides me with this output. You guys can see this looks really good. The quality is really good. And from here, what I can do is I can easily go ahead and create series of prompt. Like I can create whole scenes out of that. So I'm going to go ahead and create images and then one by one animate those images into videos, right? So yeah, for my second prompt, I'm going to go ahead and input that a surreal anthropomorphic cat with an oversized head. Let's just go ahead and generate this one now. So yeah, for that, it basically provided me with this result, and simply I can go ahead and easily animate this video once again, clicking on image to video, simply provide in my prompt that cat crying. Let's generate this once again. And similarly, I'm going to go ahead and do the same for all of the rest of my images as well, you guys, right? All right, so once all of my scenes are done, as you guys can see right over here, so I can easily go ahead and combine all of them one by one. Just input my background music that I'm going to be generating with the help of NIM.VIDEO. And yeah, let's just go ahead and see the final output. Like, take a look at this. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was a very easiest method. You can go ahead and create outstanding brain rot stuff with the help of NIM.VIDEO. So yeah, this is a very fantastic all-in-one tool in which you can go ahead and create amazing images. You can animate those images into videos. You can also input sound effects. You can do lip sync. You can do lots of stuff in just a single AI tool, you guys. And lastly, if you talk about the pricing, so yeah, right now there's a very fantastic offer going on in which you can go ahead and get started for only $625 per month, right? So yeah, you can go ahead and get access to lots of features. So yeah, I highly recommend you guys check out this amazing tool. I'll provide the link down in the description. So yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.